Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to create your own sounds on TikTok. It's pretty easy, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like and comment down below if you have any questions, we'll reply to you. So first, you have to decide where would you want your sound to come from. For example, if it's on YouTube, best sound effects, you can screen record the video with this app, X Recorder, and you can use the recorded video for TikTok. The idea is you have to upload a video on TikTok and use the sound from it. So let's do that. We already recorded the video and let's go to the upload page. Let's upload our video. Take this video, select it, go back, next, and let's post it. So you have to wait a couple minutes for it to post. TikTok is a bit slow, but that's not a big deal. Now we have the video here and let's click it. That's the video. And when we click on the sound, you see that now you have the option to use this sound. So that's basically it.